Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. You are signed into the same Google account on both the phone and the computer. Once done, make sure location, mobile data or Wi-Fi, and the Find My Device permission are enabled on the phone so Google can report its position. Open the Find My Device app or visit it in a browser and sign in. This initializes communication and lets you start the search immediately, so don't skip permissions or account checks. Next, you'll actively locate and protect the phone. In the app or web, view the map pin and the last seen time to confirm where it last had network access. This narrows your search. If nearby, hit ring to play loud audio for 5 minutes, even on silent, so you can find it quickly. If you suspect loss or theft, select Secure Device to lock the screen and display a contact message while you decide on erasing. This prevents unauthorized access while you act. Finish by deciding whether to recover or wipe. Use Erase Device only when you cannot retrieve the phone. Erasing removes your accounts and prevents tracking afterward, so consider it a last resort. If the SIM is missing or service blocked, contact your carrier and change your Google password immediately. If you can't see the device, troubleshoot. Make sure location and Find My Device were enabled, the phone is online, and you're signed into the correct Google account. These checks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.